Are you a dinosaur yet? Subscribe to become one now.
Hello all dinosaurs and welcome back to another video, and today I have a gigantic box of Godzilla King of Monster toys. Check out how huge this box is. Alright, it's time for us to unbox this. I have my box cutter right here, so I'll be right back because this is really huge. Okay, but I'm super excited. But let's just cut this open now. Okay, let's cut this open. So this was actually given to me as a gift by Mrs. Dan. Yeah. Okay, we need to cut this loose. This is really tough. I'll be right back. Okay guys, the box is open up. Oh my goodness, this is really huge. If you take a look at this, wow, this Godzilla, it's huge. Oh my goodness, it's really huge. You guys able to see it? It is gigantic. Oh my goodness. And inside we have a Rodan, a smaller Godzilla. Yes, when I say smaller, it's not exactly small, it is still super big. And what do we have here? The Godzilla Mask. That's nice. Oh, there's no other figures. You don't have oh, what's this? Pokemon X. Oh, this is not Pokemon. This is not Charmander. This is like Dinosaur X. Nice. We'll be able to do another video on this, and the rest are just cardboard boxes. So it's time for us to take a look at this huge and awesome. Wow, oh my goodness, swinging tail. This is pretty incredible. Alright, let's start unboxing. Okay guys, so now let's take a look at this huge Godzilla. Oh my goodness, this is incredible. I think this is as big as the Brachiosaurus, the Legacy Collection Brachiosaurus. It is over 40 inches tall. It's 1 meter long. Wow, take a look at the box. It's beautiful. Giant size Godzilla. Flip it over. You can see the back of the box. It's brilliant. Over 40 inches long. 101 centimeters long. Okay, time for us to open this up. Just gonna tear this open. Wow. It looks very impressive. Super impressive. The box is amazing. Definitely want to keep the box. How do we even get this out? How do we even do it? I'm gonna cut this loose for sure. Where's my scissors? Wow, this is so exciting. I've never really actually... Okay, this is definitely my first and only gigantic Godzilla. Where's my box cutter? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so oh my goodness, it made me sweat just unboxing this. Okay, I've got the tail out. There are actually two portions. It's the first portion right here. It is super heavy, and this is the Godzilla. I'm gonna do a size comparison later on with the Legacy Collection Brachiosaurus. So, but first, let's get this out of the way. The box is amazing. I love it. It's time for us to connect the tail. So let's do it. Okay, this is going to be fun. So I guess you just have to snap it in right here. It's difficult to snap this in because the camera is actually blocking me. But we have to try it, right? Okay, snap it in. It's not possible. Okay, it's not possible for me to actually snap this in with this camera in front of me. But I'm just gonna try my best. Okay, let's do it. This is tough. I think you have to twist and turn. Okay, Then you have to turn it. Come on! Yeah, got it. It's not easy. So, for little kids, you will need your parents to actually help you with this for sure. There you go, finally. Woo. And the other portion right here. Wow. Amazing. Amazing, amazing Godzilla. Okay, let me show you the entire view of it. So this is really huge. Can you guys see it? What an amazing, huge figure right here. Beautiful. It's really beautiful. It has a swinging tail. So, but I'm not too sure how you can actually activate it. But first, let's take a look at the face. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. I'm actually super excited seeing this. It is as magnificent as the Brachiosaurus. This is really huge, and I'm sweating right now because it is super hot in Singapore. And I'm wearing this sweater because it looks better. Alright, so yeah, check this out. This Godzilla is amazing. Okay, where's my... This is my Legacy Collection Brachiosaurus. Let me just bring it over. It's gonna look super small next to it. So this is the Brachiosaurus and that is the Godzilla. Can you guys see the comparison? It's actually very difficult for you guys to see the comparison. I'm just gonna place it next to each other like this. Can you guys see the comparison right now? What a huge Godzilla. I think this will look super amazing in the new Dino Den. Okay, next up, let's have a look at this mask. This mask, it looks pretty cool. So let's just open this up. The figure behind is just super, and that's all thanks to Mrs. Dan. Yes, Mrs. Dan. So if you guys want to follow her, you can actually go on to her Instagram. I'll just put all my links below, and I'll put links to my Instagram account as well, so you guys can just follow me, my personal Instagram account, and of course Dan Surprise Instagram account. Okay, so this is the mask. Let's take a look. It's pretty cool. I would definitely prefer Mrs. Dan to actually get me other figures like Ghidorah. What? Wow! This is nice. This is something that you can actually find from I mean something similar like those from Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. Pretty cool mask. So once you actually open this, there are lights and there are like sounds. This is incredible. I'm gonna do another Godzilla collection really soon, but this is just incredible. King of Monsters. The packaging is really good. It says "Try Me," electronic mask. If you take a look at the box, it's pretty generic. Okay, so that's the one for you. But still, this figure, I have no idea where we're gonna place it, but we'll find a place. Next up, let's open this. This is a beautiful figure. This is more of a decent size, more of a normal size. Pretty cool. Still a huge figure, over 20 inches long. If you take a look at the back, if you compare it with the giant one behind, this is really small. Okay, how do we get this out? Cut this loose. Oh my goodness, this is tough. The scissors is not strong enough. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and these items are out of the box, and this it's looking amazing. I love it. You know, you guys know I wouldn't say I'm a huge fan of Godzilla, but I really love Godzilla, but I don't really know, like, you know, the details and the facts about the villains and stuff. But definitely I love Godzilla as a kid, when I was a kid, and this figure is just amazing. King of Monsters, I got this from Taiwan. So Mrs. Dan got this from Taiwan during her trip there recently, and I was actually in Australia for a business trip, and right now I'm back, and she's back, and she got me this, and I'm super happy. Trying to put this tail in is not easy. Why do they make it so difficult? You know, if I'm a little kid, I won't be able to do it. I mean, I can't even do it right now. Oh my goodness, this is tough. Okay, finally got it in. Alright, so this tail right here is soft for safety reasons. And this portion here is really tough. This is okay, apart from the huge one behind, this is my biggest Godzilla toy. And I love the spikes. The spikes is pretty amazing. I love it. Godzilla, King of Monsters. Awesome stuff. This is really nice. Let's check out the details on the face. Brilliantly done. Okay, I just cut myself, you know, right here. Brilliantly done. Beautiful details. No articulation on the jaw. You can move the arms like this. It's beautiful. The spikes are pretty soft and rubbery. The texture seems good. Let's take a look at what's written below. I guess you can find Toho. Yes, Toho is written right below. Beautiful details. Some nice airbrushing right below. Some dry brushing right here. The scales is amazing. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. I want to take another close look at this giant Godzilla. I was too excited and I didn't really do a nice comparison. I mean, you can actually turn the wrist, you can move the arms. We'll take a look at this later on, but first let's open up this Rodan. This has got to be the easiest one to open. This is not... Yeah, I want this figure. I don't know why Mrs. Dan didn't get me this King Ghidorah. Maybe she didn't see it. Maybe there isn't one available, but definitely I want to get King Ghidorah. Yeah, definitely. I don't really have a figure of King Ghidorah. I have one, but it is broken. Really smart figure. Not a huge fan of this. If you take a look at this, it looks like a very, can I say, like, cheap toy. This is definitely something that I expected. Yeah, you can flip the wings, you can move the legs, you can move the tail. I mean, not the tail, I mean the neck. Beg your pardon. The wings can be flapped. Yeah, this is basically a very simple and decent figure. Not a huge fan of this Rodan figure for sure, but yeah, if you check out this box, I'm not gonna keep this box. Yeah, we need to get this King Ghidorah for sure. Yeah, and they don't have Mecha Godzilla. If they have one, that'd be nice because it looks really nice. Okay, let's take another close look at this beautiful monster right here. Wow, you can close and open the jaw. Okay, let me just take this out. Okay, this is the entire full view. Beautiful. Incredible details. Take a look at the body. It's nicely done. The wrist can be turned. Yeah, both the wrist. How many fingers does Godzilla have? 1, 2, 3, 4. The index finger is actually the longest, so that's interesting. You know, for humans, we have the longest middle finger. All right. The legs can be moved as well. Beautiful chunky legs, as well as the feet. Okay, so you can turn the feet like this. Wow, I got this from Taiwan. I mean, Mrs. Dan got this from Taiwan. The spikes on this definitely seems to be too small, way too small for my liking. The spikes got to be much bigger to look more magnificent. You can see some screw holes right here. They're not exactly screw. Oh! Are they supposed to be like spikes where you can just insert them? Yeah, this looks like holes for you to actually insert some spikes on it. Ah, nah, it's not really, because there are no spikes. But this is definitely way more detailed. And here's the tail. The tail can be moved. If you see this portion, I think I need to place this in more carefully later on. Huge tail, long tail, it looks magnificent. You can turn the tail here. This portion can swing. It's incredible, it's beautiful, it's magnificent. It will look really good in a beautiful room. This is simply awesome. So yes, this is our Godzilla King of Monsters unboxing. We have the gigantic giant Godzilla and the mask, which looks really nice. I like the mask, to be honest. And this is Rodan. So these are the 4 different items that I got, yeah, from Taiwan. You know, it's really hard to find this giant Godzilla. It's super difficult. You can maybe try on Amazon, but yeah, I got this from Taiwan. So that's all. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if it did, do give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe. You know, I upload dinosaur videos almost every single day. Sometimes Godzilla, and if you like Godzilla, you like Jurassic, or you like dinosaurs, make sure you subscribe. I am Dan, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.